Hello, my jelly bean and gingerbread. I don't know what's going on. My face is a mess. I'm still in bed. But the video that I posted yesterday or day before yesterday, it was Monday. I don't know what is going on. I tried to watch it on my phone too, but it's not working on the phone. I don't know what YouTube is doing. I don't know what the software is doing. But somehow it doesn't seem to be working properly. I don't quite know. I don't know. But I'll check. I have a theory though. I'll have to check something. I'm gonna check something and see. Probably I can, I don't know, re-upload it. I don't know. I don't know if the preset change editing software. I don't know. Honest, but it's a very nice video though. So if you can try again and tap it again and watch it on the computer, then do that. But I'm going to see what it is because something's not right. Normally it's supposed to play on every platform, but it's not playing on mobile. I can't even watch it on my phone, but I can watch it on the computer, which is weird. So I don't know. I don't know what has happened. I don't know if it's how I edit it. I don't know. But I hope everybody is okay. I just want to make this video and let everybody know. So the video is really nice. If you get a chance to watch it, watch it. Yeah, support the GoFundMe. That's about it. So have a good day, everybody. Everybody have a good day. Alright, I'm gone. Bye bye.